Hi friends, I want to show you my new 1080p HD automotive recorder camera. It comes with its own battery, changeable battery. It comes with this mounting accessory for the windshield. This camera is aimed to be in the car. It has a wide angle infrared night vision camera, and it has a color display, as you can see. We're gonna test it in the car, but I want to show you this unboxing. Okay. Also, it comes with this charging cable for the lighter of the car. So you get everything that you need to record, to film your regular driving when you are going to your office or whatever, and it will record in 2, 3, 5 minute lapses, whatever you configure it to do. So you don't have like a long video, okay? And it has the charging port here and this small SD card port. So I'm going to use this 32 gigabytes card, and let's try it in my car. Let's go. Charging port. Perfect. So now, let me show you. When I open it, okay, it basically starts recording when you open it. I configure it to record 5-minute videos. So let's see how it goes. Let's go. We have a perfect. Let's see the results.